Welcome to AutoCAD 2011. You'll probably notice right away the user interface looks quite a bit different on your screen. Your toolbars are gone and your pull-down menus are not visible. All that has been replaced by a interface graphic called the ribbon. And within each ribbon you have different panels. For example, in the ribbon at the top left corner you have the Draw panel, and then you have the Modify panel, then the Layers panel, and so on. Right away you should see some familiar icons that you probably should remember from toolbars that you used in previous versions of AutoCAD. But also with the Draw panel there's a small arrow next to the Draw pointing down that will expand the Draw panel and show you more drawing commands. Also, in addition to the panels, there are the tabs that actually, as you click on these tabs, show you different panels in the ribbon. Well, our user interface may look a little different. The commands in AutoCAD 2011 work virtually the same as they did in previous versions of AutoCAD. So we'll begin by creating a new drawing, so we can select a template, and let's browse for a template, and let's choose the 2080 2D1 or the 2080 2D standard, whichever one you're more familiar with using. And once you've selected the right template, on the Layers panel you should now be able to select and choose the different layers, or at least see the different layers. We're going to stick with the border layer for now. And also we want to insert a border like we normally would, and there's a block panel where you can find the insert command. And again, we'll browse for the block that we want. We'll use the 8.5 by 11 border, and again we'll use the same settings that we normally have in previous versions of AutoCAD, and then fill in the information for the title block. And just like in previous versions of AutoCAD, we can change the layer before we start drawing the new lines. And we can access the line command from the Draw panel on the ribbon. One setting you may want to change before you start drawing is the setting that controls the display of your tools down in the status bar. By default, AutoCAD 2011 shows these as icons. And until you get used to this new version of AutoCAD, you may want to have these displayed as labels. So let's right click on any of these tools down in the status bar and right click, and where it has use icons checked, let's click on that to uncheck it, and now you should see the labels described with text instead of icons, something you're probably more used to as you saw in previous versions of AutoCAD.